Here's the pond we'll be putting the Black Hole Skimmer in. It's about 2,500 gallons. All the koi are over there in the corner. Now they're starting to come out. That's the bottom drain down in the lower portion of the screen. We're going to put the pump on top of the bottom drain, and we're going to put the skimmer right over here in this area. Okay, let's get this lowered into the pond. There we go. It's perfect. That's exactly what we want the skimmer to do. Float right on the surface, see? So that height is exactly perfect. When we turn the pump on, the pump will lower itself and the funnel will lower itself into the water. We are in San Diego, but it's really cold and windy today, so I had to put on my jacket. Now let's get the pump where we want it. And usually I can do that with just guiding the wire. Guiding the wire and using this broom. There. Down. I put the pump right on top of the bottom drain. Connect the power supply. Okay, powering up. Notice all the air is coming out of the pump. There you go. It's in. That's a lot of flow. So right now that's at 2,600 gallons per hour. I put a lot of power in it because there was air in the line. But if I don't want it to be that, I can lower that. That's about 1,300 gallons an hour right there. And it's burning 40 watts. If we had the diffuser on the pump, it wouldn't look like that. But right now, without the diffuser, you can see the water current coming up to the surface. That's the Black Hole Skimmer. Notice all we did was plug it in and it worked just fine. That's the pump down there on the bottom drain. That's it from the side. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens if we turn it off. I'm going to stop the pump. And it just floats up. I'm going to turn the pump back on. And it lowers itself. No hassle, no adjustments, no valves. It just works.